All right, everybody, welcome back to the Forgotten Angler YouTube channel. Here's one for the kayak fisherman, or maybe you're thinking about getting a kayak and fishing out of it. But in this episode, I'm going to be out in local waters around Camp Far Away, fishing soft baits, primarily a lot of paddle tails and a lot of stuff from fish bites. So their Fight Club series have worked really well for me throughout the winter months. And I've got some waters close to home that I've been getting kind of dialed in, and the fishing's been super fantastic. So here's some action from a couple of days of fishing the local waters again near Camp Far Away out of the kayak. And shout out to Fish Bites and their awesome Fight Club series because it was getting it done. Some of the other soft baits I threw were assassin soft baits that worked as well, but all paddle tails and all light colors for the most part. So enjoy this video. Some great fishing action. And again, if you like the channel, please subscribe, give the video a like, leave comments below. I'm Larry G, the Forgotten Angler. Enjoy this video. Hey, Mr. Snaggletooth. Appreciate you. All right, I've had 3 trout eats. Got one in the bag, a good one, and then I lost a bigger one. And they're eating the soft baits at an undisclosed location. Let me get my bait adjusted. So I'm just throwing this little 4-inch pink tailed white. I mean, that's all you need around here. These white plastic soft baits crush. I was commuting across when I got, that was a big boil I just heard, and that wasn't a mullet. There's some disturbances out here. Let's see if I can chase those down and see what's up. Might have to switch out my bait. This one's tired. That's a mullet right there. But I got something right here in front of me I want to check out. Right there. Oh, there he is. Got him. Nice. That's another one. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Got him. Come on, Buster. This should come right out. It's in the soft side of his mouth. Yeah. All right. The fight is on. Throw another one in that same spot. They are loaded in here right now. Nothing up in the super shallows, but out here where it's a little deeper. All right, let's get into the bag. It's a beauty. Wow, that's a beautiful redfish. Look at the color on that thing. Redfish. All right, nice redfish. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. Yeah, that's a beauty. Yeah, that's a good one. Boom. All right. There we go. This might be a red. This might be a red. Let's see. No, another nice trout. Redfish. Redfish. Nice. Too small, but oh, he's a beautiful redfish, though. Yes, sir. Look at that. All right. That is a beauty. Okay, water's coming in. That's what's going on. All right, that was a good eat right there. Yeah, that was a real good eat. Ooh, it looks like a big trout. Yeah, looks like a good trout. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's a good one, huh? That's a good one. Let's get the net for that one. All right. Yeah, that's a good eating fish right there. But he's gonna go back. Wow, healthy. That's a good one. That's a nice fish, man. Hate to throw him back, but we're gonna. Yeah, that's a good trout. Awesome. Another, oh, I lost him. I had another fish on. Yeah, I sure did. I had another fish on. Oh, Lord. Gosh. Dog it. Had him. That's 3 I've lost. Okay, well, we finally hit pay dirt. I think this might be dinner. Let's see. That's a beautiful fish. Oh, he's 21. That's perfect. That's perfect dinner right there. Okay, I hooked up, and this fish was acting pretty small when I hooked him. And then all hell broke loose. So I don't know what I got here. I don't know if it's a red or a trout or what it is, but it's a pretty good fish. Looks like a red. Yeah, it is. Another nice redfish. Oh, he's really red too. Nice. And I forgot to bring my net with me. Oh yeah, he's a beauty. Tell you, these fish, these inshore fish, compared to the fish back at home in Pensacola, compared to the fish back in West Panhandle, these are like what you think of when you think of redfish. Yeah. Let me get my fish grips. Right on. Another nice redfish. Probably help if I reeled in and quit doing the Ace Greenberg on them, which is something you wouldn't get. Let's do this. Let's do this, Mr. Redfish. Since I didn't bring a net. There we go. Oh, that's good, man. Oh, trolling in, and I hook up. Feels like another red. Getting ready to get pissed when he knows he's hooked. Yeah, here we go. Yeah. So I'm going to say this area is recovered after the hurricane. There we go. Maybe it's a trout. I think it's a red. Yeah, looks like another red. Yes, sir. Good day, man. Yeah, beautiful. Whoa, whoa, whoa. He's... Come on, get over here. What do you think? What do you think you're doing? What do you think you're doing? Looks like he's multi-spots. Man, he inhaled the thing. Yeah, he's got a few spots on him. All right. Third red today. Okay, we got a fish on. Whoa. Whoa, redfish, looks like. Redfish? Yeah, redfish. Right on. Nice. Right on, man.
Yeah. I think he's a little shy of slot, but that's okay. Beauty. Thanks, buddy. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Nice, dude.
All right, everybody. I hope you enjoyed that episode from the Forgotten Angler. Some great, fantastic kayak fishing. Great action on the local waters in your camp far away. We'll be doing a lot more of that in the future. And hopefully we'll be doing some of that on the salt before too long. So thanks for checking in. If you like that video, please subscribe to this channel. Give the video a like and leave comments below. Again, if you have questions, throw them out there in the comments section. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Anyway, thanks for checking in. Larry G, the Forgotten Angler. I'm out.